All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So it's that time again for another exciting matchup, and what I got right here in front of me is a 2020 BMW M340i and a 2023 Nissan GTR. Now, last time you guys saw this car on the channel, I ran up against the upgraded turbos C63 AMG. Now, just a little recap of what's done to this car. With his hood open, he's on upgrade turbos. These are from Spray It Racing. They're 53mm turbos. You know, he's got full supporting mods, running on E85 and a speed density kit, and he is on a map that is making 770 wheel horsepower. It is a full weight car, probably making weighing somewhere between 3,800 and 3,900 pounds. And I got a brand new car on the channel. This BMW is tastefully modded as well. He's on an upgraded turbo. This is a Precision 6466 with port injection. And a full Turboback exhaust system running on E85. Now, he is making somewhere around 750 wheel horsepower. Now, this is a rear-wheel drive setup. And he's running on some Mickey Thompson ET Street R tires. Now, I know these cars also are very similar in weight, so this should be a pretty good matchup. But there's only one way to find out. For this race, both cars will be going solo. So let's see how it goes.